Hello, my name is Ryan Cramer, and this is a Lab 4 demo for CPE 133. Today, I've implemented a subtractor module on the board. Basically, what it does is it takes two 4-bit 2's complement numbers, and what it's going to do is it's either going to add or subtract them based on what we select. So if we select subtraction, it's going to subtract the two numbers. If we select adding, it's going to add the two numbers. So what's going to happen is we're going to be able to add signed inputs, and we're going to check if the output is valid. So 4-bit 2's complement numbers can only represent values from -8 to +7. So we're going to check and make sure that the values fit in here. And if they do, we're going to output them to the 7-segment display. So we're going to add 2's complement numbers, check if the output is valid for 4 bits, and then we're going to output it here.
Okay, so taking a look at how we map things to the board, we see we have our 4-bit 2's complement inputs A and B. And then we have our input subtract. When that is on, it's going to subtract A and B instead of adding them. So we can toggle subtraction with that. And we're going to have our output sum displayed if the numbers between -8 and +7 by the rules of 4-bit 2's complement. And then we also have our output neg, which will show us if the number is negative or not. So that will be our sign.
Running through our test cases, we have test case 1, 0 plus 0. Test case 2, 0 plus 5. Test case 3, -7 minus 0. Test case 4, 2 plus 4. Test case 5, -2 plus -2. Test case 6, 7 plus -4. Test case 7, -6 plus 1. Test case 8, 5 plus 6. This will give us an overflow error. Test case 9, -8 plus -1. That will give us an underflow error. Test case 10, 6 minus 5. Test case 11, -3 minus -5. Test case 12, 2 minus -5. Test case 13, -5 minus 3. Test case 14, 1 minus -8. That gives us an overflow error. Test case 15, -4 minus 6. That gives us an underflow error.
Okay guys, so that concludes the Lab 4 demo. As we showed, we could do subtraction and addition with the new module that we instantiated on the board, and we showed that it worked with the 7-segment display and inputting the inputs through A and B with the switches.